Today we will learn header, main, footer. By these three tags, we will be able to structure our content nicely to our website. So let's start. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. I am Vishnu Datto. Welcome you again to Eka tutorial. So let's start. First, we have to go search bar. Here I am typing TextPad. If you are using Windows, then you maybe have Notepad. If you don't have Notepad, then use any text editor. Okay. If you are in Mac or any other operating system, just open a text editor. Text editor. By this text editor, you will be able to write anything or edit anything. Okay. Text editor is digital paper like our physical paper. In digital paper, we write through pen or pencil, but in digital paper we write through keypad. Okay, now I am clicking on text editor. So this is text editor. Now we first have to create a canvas. We are learning HTML header, main, footer. Okay, and this all will be come in to body section. So this will all will be come to body section. Okay, so first we have to create a canvas. For creating canvas, we just have to increase font size of this text document. Okay, text document font. Okay, so we are creating HTML. So we have created canvas by HTML tag. Then we are also closing HTML tag by closing HTML tag. Now what we have to do? We have to create header, head and body. Okay, head, body we have head, and we also have to create body section. We already know this is rule of HTML. So if you are creating a canvas through HTML, then you must have to create head tag and body tag. If you create head tag, then you have to close head tag also. If you create body tag, you have to close body tag also. So I am creating body tag. Now I am closing also body tag. So this is our canvas, and in this canvas, this is the simple structure of HTML structure. This is simple HTML structure. Now we have to work to head section. Okay, so what we can add here? Head, we can add lots of things head, but now we will add title tag, which is name of this website. Okay, and we are also closing title. Okay, we have closed title tag. Yes, we got it. Now what will we do? Now we will give name of this web page. So today we will learn header, main, footer. Okay, so we are giving HEADER, header, comma, main and footer tutorial. Okay, now we give this page name header, main, footer. So header, main, footer tutorial is page name of this web page. Okay, is name of this web page. Okay, now what will we do? Now we will come to body section. We already know that we will not be able to, this will not be displayed to our web page, but we will be able to see this name by keeping our mouse to tap on mouse browser tab. So we are not doing this right now. So what will we do right now? We will to right now, or to body section, work in body section or in body section. Okay, now we will work in body section. Okay, now what will we do? We just have to create a JSON tag. We just have to create a JSON tag, and then we have to close JSON tag. So why we have created JSON tag? Can you tell me? Can you? Yes, we are right. You are right that JSON is heading. JSON is heading of a web page, and it helps us to rank our page to search engine. So we can write here ACAD, a header, main, and footer tag. Okay, footer tags. Yes. Now we have to, this is heading, but we want to write something. Are we not? We want to write something. What we can write? We can write lots of things, but we will not write lots of things right now. We will just create a paragraph. Okay. In this paragraph we will write something. So for creating a paragraph, what will we do? We will create p tag. Okay. And we are also closing. We have to close also p tag. This is paragraph tag. Now what we will write in this paragraph tag? We can write today we will learn. Today we will learn header, main, and footer. Okay, footer tag. So this is basic. This is basic. Now what will we do? We will now create header, main, footer tag. So for creating head, so I am creating ACAD here header, also closing ACAD here header. Then we have to create main, closing and slash main main, and then footer, head, main, footer, footer. Okay, now what will we do? First I have said you that header, main, footer help us to structure our web content nicely. So header, JSON, peon, these all are the web content. So if header, main, footer help us to structure our content nicely, then why JSON and p tag are outside of this tag? We have to bring this JSON and p tag to header, main, footer, or not? Yes, we have to do. So for doing this, what we have to do? We just have to bring this header tag to here. Okay, we have done our first work. Okay, we did it. Now what do we have to do? Now we have to bring or cut this p tag and have to paste this in main tag. Hooray, we have did this. So this is header, this is main, and this is footer. So what we can write in footer? We can write in footer, what we can write? We can write copyright. Okay, so we can write, what we can, copy copy, we can write is care acre tutorial. Okay, we have done. We have tried footer. So we have written. What we have written? We have written header main footer tag. We have created header main footer tag, and in this header main footer tag we set every content which we wanna show to our web page. Okay, so right now, see, do I have anything outside header main footer? Do I have anything? No, we don't have anything outside header main footer. All are in header main footer. In header tag we created header main footer. So we can also create a nav tag. We also can nav tag. And this is, we can set nav tag here. It's normal. And in main body section we can create anything we just want to we just will bring main content to this main tag. And in footer tag we will create, what we will create? We will create copyright and extra link which come to bottom side. So this is the full structure of header main footer, and this all header main footer is property of body tag, and body tag is property of HTML tag. Okay, so we know header and body tag is property of HTML, and title is property of header, and header main footer is property of body tag. Okay, so right now in header section we have JSON. So JSON is property of header tag, and header main footer tag text is property of JSON tag. So this is simple. So if you have any doubt or any question, please comment us. And if you have any query or any suggestion, just comment us. We will clarify your doubt. We will give your question answer, and it will help you to understand this tutorial very fluently. So if you like this video, please give a like button. Please click on like button, and if you dislike our video, then click on dislike button. And if you already did not subscribe to our channel, please click on subscribe button. And if you already did subscribe, so much thanks. And if you are not following our tutorial from starting, then go to our YouTube channel, which is Acre Tutorial. So let me show you how you can come to our web page. Or we also have web page. We are not going to web page right now. We are just going youtube.com /, and then @ what is @ I am doing something @ Acre tutorial. So what you are typing in address bar in our browser, youtube.com @ Acre tutorial. So this is our channel. This is our YouTube channel, and in this YouTube channel you can learn any programming language. We will teach you web development, artificial intelligence, cyber security, robotics, lots of things. Just you have to follow us, subscribe us, and keep stay with us all time. We are assuring you we will set your future. So don't worry, we are not charging you anything. Just you have to follow us. Okay. And now what we are going to do, we have to check our website. We have already made it. So if we want to make our web page through this code, then we just have to click on 3- button, and from this button we have to click on save as, and from this save as we have to give this web page name. So what we can keep is there, we can 13. We can write 13 tutorial.html. So we are saving this, and if we save this, then this web page is builded. This web page is builded. So we have created our 13 class tutorial web page. Hooray! So now what will we do? We will go to document. So by going to document, what we can do? We have to go 13 tutorial HTML. So where is our web page? So we got it. Now we have to right click on this document and have to click on open with, and from this window we have to click on Firefox or any browser. By this way we can visit our website. So I am selecting Google Chrome. After clicking Google Chrome, we have now click on open. Yes, our web page is being displayed to our web browser. So it's so easy. So this is this header main footer belonging in header tag. Header, today we will run header main footer belong to where main tag, and at the rate copyright Eckart tutorial belong to footer tag, and this header main footer tag belong to body tag, and body and HTML tag, body and head tag belong to HTML tag. So it's super easy. If I now minimize this, and then you will see that we have header. In this header we have set title, and in this body tag we have set footer main header. Okay, that's the main structure, and by following this structure we can create complex web page. So it's super easy like candy. So if you have any question, so please ask this question to our comment box. And if you want this code, then how can you get this code? You just have to go to our video section, tutorial video section, and from this section, video section, which is detail section, video detail section, I'm showing you how you can get this. This is our web page. Now if you click, if you are learning our tutorial through our channel, then you will get something like this. And here this is the video description section, and from this section you have to just click on more, and from this more you will get document and code, and from this document and code what you can do, you have to just go to this, you have to just click on this link, and from this link you will get what you want. Today now you are learning a header main footer, then you will click on header main footer, and from where you will get this code, header main footer. Okay, and full code is header main footer. So it's very easy and common. So don't worry, it's providing you everything. We will provide you everything we know that how can be a good programmer. We are software engineer. We will build your future. Just stay with us and see where we can take you. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye. See you again. And keep coding, keep learning, keep building extraordinary something, and build a better future with us. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.